Un aplauso pa' mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
Wagwan everyone, I'm here again as a drone pilot in a drifting event organized by Red Bull. Trust me, this is an event for the big boys. Expensive cars, right, left and center, power bikes, flying, dead bikes, luxurious cars. Even Mohammed Lexus was here. And see the way cars was drifting or more. Stay glued to your screen to see how cars were drifting from above.